Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will share with you regarding rebirth punarjan. In Bhagavad Gita, Adhyay number 2, Shlok number 22, it is mentioned, Vashansi jirani yatha vihaya, Navani grihnati naroparani, Tatha sharirani vihaya jirani, Nyayani sanyati navani dehi. It means that the way a person, by taking off old clothes, takes new clothes. Similarly, the soul leaves away the old material body and takes up the new material body. It means that the soul enters in new material body in mother's womb, and after gestation period of 9 months again takes birth. It does not mean this, to be very careful. Here, Vashansi jirani yatha vihaya navani grihnati naroparani tatha sharirani vihaya jirani nyayani sanyati navani dehi. It means that the soul, after leaving this material body, will take up the new material body at the time of Pralay, the final Big Bang at the time of Qiyamah. When people will be gathered for questioning and answering, and depending on the good and bad deeds, they will be allotted heaven or hell. If suppose, according to this shloka, if soul takes new material body, takes birth in new family, a new life starts. New accounting will be starting. But we know very well, in Hindu mythology, that Pinddan is done for the departed soul. In Mahabharata, when Bhishma Pitamah was on the arrows, Yudhishthira comes and asks, what should we do for our departed souls? He gives a big menu that if you do this, do charity of different sort, different types, they will be getting this freedom, that is goodness, till the last infinite time. So that's the reason why if we talk about that Pinddan, then in that Pinddan will be given only to the soul which has not taken birth in a new mother's womb. So it shows that we will be having, in this case, that material body which is there, the material body does not coincide with the soul. It will be recreated on the day of judgment, Pralay, and at that time it will be united with that, and they will be getting the judgment of hell or heaven. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.